Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing well. So today we have a little chatty chat video. So I'm going to give you the backstory of this, and then we're going to talk a little bit. I know a lot of you really enjoy this, and if you have opinions on this subject, I'd love to read it in the comments, as would a lot of others. So essentially, I think it was last Wednesday or Thursday. See how bad I am with the week that's already gone by? I can't even remember. Aldi had really cheap 75% off detergent and scent beads in my area, but I wasn't able to track down any of these detergent pods. If you have the Instacart app on your phone, you easily can go into the Aldi grocery store and see, what they have in stock, if they have any left, without you even leaving the house. A lot of people were doing it that way if you read the comments of that video that I made, and a lot of people scored big. So today's story is one of you guys actually left a comment, and I thought, man, this is a very true statement. I'm not going to put this lady's first and last name on display, but I'll just paraphrase what she said, and it's a really great lesson. Subscriber bought a bunch, and for $3.99, it's super smart shopping. She saw the value in it, and this is a quality product Tide, so $3.99 for a 43 pack. Yes, very good deal. So, upon buying them, I think she might have sent a message to family and said, "Hey, I just scored this. If you want it, it's $3.99, like just at cost. I have some extras." And the family family members were saying, "Hey, you know what? I'm good," meaning I don't want any if I have to pay $3.99. And it's just kind of like she went out, got the deal, has it in her car or at her house, and if I had a family member say I have these at $3.99, I would even want some, and it's just one of those things that I could see what she was saying. It's just somewhat crushing that you find such a great deal and somebody's like, no. However, if you look at the counterpart of that, if somebody would get a bag of cleaning supplies totally for free, they would be down for that. They would be thanking you. They'd be talking about what a great hobby extreme couponing is. But if you ever turn it on them and say, "Hey, I actually paid for this. I didn't use a coupon." You can't use coupons at Aldi. And it's $3.99. The immediate answer is, "Hey, I'm good." And you know what? I've actually dealt with that before. Sometimes where, you pay out a little bit for something and it's not completely free. And you're like, yeah, that's like $3 or whatever. And they just look at you like, "Oh, well, thanks for thinking of me." And they'll just grab it all. And it's like, okay, it's interesting. And sometimes as an extreme couponer, you go out and get the deal. You lose the value of what you have in front of you that you're like, yeah, take whatever. But when sometimes people are so quick just to take and not even really thank you for anything or even compensate this young lady for $3.99. I mean, I think most of us would pony up $3.99 if you grabbed one from her, but I just don't know why people are that way. I just don't know. I did jot down a couple things. I think with any family member, friend, somebody who you're close with, just know the person if they would help you out if you went and got the entire display, you overshopped. Just know the person who you're asking for, and if they are a hard and fast no, if they're like really enthusiastic for free stuff, but if they ever had to pony up $3.99 and it would just become like, "Oh, I'm good, no thanks. Why do you need all that stuff?" Just know who you're talking to, know how to read the room that way as well. You can give anything you want. If it was a family member or a friend or somebody close to me that we loved who lost their home to a fire or something serious, I would eat the $3.99 and say, just take it, But it is your stockpile. You paid that $3.99. It is yours. So you can keep all of them if you wish. You paid for it. You're the boss. If you wanted to give them all away, that's also you're calling all the shots, basically. But don't be guilted into giving stuff away just because. When you're paying $3.99 for something, especially right now when gas is $5 a gallon, you are the boss and CEO of this product, and you get to decide who keeps it and who doesn't. You didn't get it for free at CVS with a million extra care bucks and some super uber deal that you stacked it up 100 different ways and you got it for free. No, you paid $3.99 for it. So I think asking family member $3.99 for a product that you've probably gifted them a bunch of times, you're not asking the world. Maybe I see this differently, but I totally feel bad for the lady that sent me that little comment why people behave this way. It's like they're down for the free stuff, but if you ever say, hey, I paid $3.99 for this, it becomes sometimes a big hairy thing. And I don't really fully get that. Maybe it's just human behavior. It's a lesson in psychology. But people can be really funny for the smallest amount of money. And $3.99 is a really good example. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.